Hello friends, welcome back to a new video on Ashwa Old Coins, the Liberty Anthony Susan B. $1 coin, which was issued by the United States Mint in 1979, is one of the most historically significant coins in the U.S. numismatic collection. This coin commemorates Susan B. Anthony, a famous suffragist and women's rights activist, and it marks a crucial point in the evolution of U.S. coinage. Here's an in-depth look into its history, geography, circulation, and conditions. Design and inception. The Susan B. Anthony dollar coin was authorized by the Dollar Coin Act of 1978 with the aim of creating a new dollar coin to replace the large Eisenhower dollar, which had fallen out of favor due to its large size and cost to produce. The coin was initially introduced in 1979 by the U.S. Mint as part of an effort to revive the use of the dollar coin. The design of the coin was selected through a public competition, and the winning design was created by Frank Gasparro, the chief engraver at the U.S. Mint. The obverse features a profile of Susan B. Anthony, who was instrumental in the fight for women's suffrage. The reverse features a design of an eagle in flight, which was a remnant of the Eisenhower Dollar reverse design, reflecting a sense of continuity. Susan B. Anthony, born in New York in 1820, is famous for her advocacy of women's rights, especially her efforts to secure voting rights for women. Although she did not live to see the passage of the 19th Amendment, which granted women the right to vote, her legacy is honored by the coin. Launch and controversy. When the Susan B. Anthony dollar was released in 1979, it was met with mixed reactions. Some people viewed it as a fitting tribute to Susan B. Anthony, while others found the coin's design and size less appealing. The coin's size, slightly smaller than the previous Eisenhower dollar, led to confusion with the $quarter coin. This size similarity became one of the primary reasons the coin failed to gain widespread circulation, as people often mistook it for a quarter. Moreover, the coin's initial release was overshadowed by issues related to its appearance. Many collectors noted that the coin's design did not effectively convey the intended tribute to Anthony. The coin also suffered from a lack of public interest and a limited number of people using it in daily transactions. Circulation and discontinuation. Despite efforts to promote the coin, including its issuance in large quantities, the Susan B. Anthony dollar coin never gained the level of circulation expected. After its first release in 1979, the U.S. Mint produced the coin in 1980, but it was already clear that it was not going to succeed in replacing the Eisenhower dollar. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was eventually discontinued in 1981, but it made a brief return in 1999 for the Sacagawea dollar program. The coin's return in 1999 and the Sacagawea dollar, the Susan B. Anthony dollar, was brought back into production in 1999 to coincide with the launch of the Sacagawea dollar. While the new Sacagawea dollar was designed with a more recognizable image, the coin's return was widely regarded as an effort to test the public's appetite for a smaller, more practical dollar coin. However, the Sacagawea dollar also suffered from a lack of success and was eventually overshadowed by the state quarters program, which captivated the public's interest. As a result, both the Susan B. Anthony dollar and the Sacagawea dollar coins were relatively short-lived and have been mostly replaced by paper currency and more widely accepted coins like the $1 bill and the quarter. Circulation figures. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was issued for only a few years, but it was minted in several years. The U.S. Mint produced the coin in 1979, 1980, and 1981, with production figures as follows. 1979. Over 500 million coins were struck, making it one of the most widely produced coins in U.S. history. 1980, 88.7 million coins were minted. 1981, about 21.8 million coins were struck. The U.S. Mint stopped producing the Susan B. Anthony dollar in 1981, citing the coin's lack of popularity and circulation problems. A smaller production quantity in 1981 reflected the coin's diminishing relevance. Most of the coins were issued for general circulation, but they were not widely used in everyday transactions, leading to low demand. The circulation of the Susan B. Anthony dollar was mostly limited to government institutions, collectors, and coin enthusiasts. Despite efforts by the Mint to promote the coin, it failed to make a lasting impression on the public. Geography of use. The coin saw some circulation in select areas, but was not widely accepted across the United States. Since it was smaller in size than the previous Eisenhower dollar, and due to its similarity to the quarter coin, people frequently misidentified it. This confusion contributed to the coin's lack of use and quick disappearance from common circulation. Some geographical areas, particularly places where coin collectors resided, did experience some minor circulation of the coin. However, it was mainly kept as a numismatic item, especially after its discontinuation. Coin collectors also sought after certain mint marks, San Francisco and Denver, for these coins, which added a layer of rarity for specific types. Uncirculated condition. The Susan B. Anthony dollar is much rarer in uncirculated condition, where coins have not been exposed to regular wear and tear in daily transactions. Minted directly by the U.S. Mint, uncirculated coins are typically much cleaner, with little to no abrasions or marks. These coins have greater value for collectors who are looking for pristine examples. Circulated condition. The Susan B. Anthony dollar in circulated condition is typically found with signs of wear, such as scratches, dings, or discoloration. The coins in lower grades, often referred to as fine, good, or very good, are more common and, in general, do not carry significant value beyond face value unless they are of a specific rare mint mark or exhibit a unique error. Special varieties. Collectors often focus on specific varieties of the coin, including 1979 P-wide rim and narrow rim varieties. Proof versions, which were struck for collectors and are often found in pristine condition. Error coins, such as those with misprints or unusual features, which can hold significant value. Modern market value. While the coin itself may not have commanded widespread use in circulation, it has become a valuable collector's item. In uncirculated or proof condition, the coin can fetch prices anywhere between $1 to several $100s, depending on the year, mint mark, and overall condition. Certain highly sought-after examples, such as proof or error coins, may be worth much more. The Susan B. Anthony dollar remains an iconic piece of U.S. history. Despite its short-lived time in circulation and its struggles to replace the larger Eisenhower dollar, it holds a special place in the story of U.S. currency. It served as a tribute to one of the most important figures in the women's suffrage movement and has become a valuable coin for collectors. The coin's history is a reminder of the evolving nature of currency and its deep connection to American history.